Sa hapong ito ay ating kilalanin ang mga lokal na pamahalaan na binigyang parangal sa Department of Trade and Industry or DTI 2024 Lunsod-Lunsad Award. Ito ay kumilala at nagbigay suporta sa mga city LGUs sa kanilang mga proyekto at programa na nagpapahalaga sa sining bilang instrumento sa kaunlaran ng kanilang syudad. Makakasama natin ang dalawang city LGU na kinilala sa Lunsod-Lunsad, ang Cadiz City ng Negros Occidental para sa kanilang programang Cadiznon Lunsod-Lunsad Year 2, Elevating Creative Excellence. At ang isa pa ay ang Dipolog City, Zamboanga del Norte para naman sa kanilang Lunsod-Lunsad Cuyogta, the first Dipolog Competitive and Creative City or C3 Summit and related activities. Kaya naman, ating alamin ang iba pang detalye kaugnay ng kanilang mga programa. Ating makakasama si Cadiz City Mayor Salvador Escalante Jr. at si Dipolog City Mayor Darrell Dexter Huy. Mayor, magandang hapon po sa inyong dalawa.
Yes, magandang hapon, Attorney Eva, magandang hapon. Mayor Darrell, magandang hapon din.
Ayon, so unahin natin si Mayor Escalante.
Magandang hapon po. Magandang hapon, Mayor.
Ayon.
Okay, take it away, Director. Ayan si Mayor Salvador Escalante.
Ayan, magandang hapon, Mayor. Ang inyo pong lungsod ay nagkamit ng karangalan sa DTI 2024 Lunsod-Lunsad Award para sa inyong programang Cadiznon Lunsod-Lunsad Year 2, Elevating Creative Excellence. Maari niyo po bang ibahagi sa amin at sa ating mga tagapakinig kung ano ang programang Cadiznon Lunsod-Lunsad Year 2, Elevating Creative Excellence at ang layunin nito, Mayor?
Yes, una sa lahat, magandang hapon, no? Lalo na kay SALG Secretary Benhor. No? Mga kasama natin yan sa trabaho sa gobyerno. But nevertheless, the City of Cadiz, we are now enjoying the second tranche or the second year of the Lungsod-Lunsad program ng DTI. Last year kasi 2023, we were also a recipient of this program. And yes, as you see in the slide, it was very successful na we even replicated or appropriated funds to augment for this coming 2024. So in other words, yung pundo na binigay ni DTI sa amin was 1.5 million. Nag-counterpart kami ng another 1.3 rather sa DTI, nagdagdag kami ng 1.5 no? To come up with this program right now. And as what mentioned, very successful yung year 1 namin. So sa year 2, in-expand namin yung coverage. Actually sa year 1, we implemented the program for 4 days, no? And we touch on the creative aspect of the city, yung mga artists namin, visual and theater. Right now, for 2024, we expanded, including the visual arts, the theater, the SMEs, lalo na sa small entrepreneurs on coffee and food and our food industry. No, and as to the visual arts, actually kahapon we launched already 17 years and below ng mga artists na binigyan namin ng workshop together, using, tapping our resources here. Mr. Gil Benitez, our master artist, he was present and helped us in promoting this. No? And as we continue this art program, nagkaroon din tayo ng body painting later on, nagkaroon tayo ng showroom, display center ng mga arts natin. And this coming September 9, we will be launching a family boulevard theme park na more on arts. Parang ilo-launch natin yun si Lunsod-Lunsad in that area, showcasing our artists, no, yung mga murals natin, mural paintings natin, together with our coffee, mga barista natin and coffee workshop, and even we have even come up with a coffee tour in our coffee plantation here in the city of Cadiz. So in other words, we teach our young entrepreneurs on how to prepare coffee, and not just to prepare coffee, but also we teach them, we educate them on where coffee came from. No, coffee nanggaling siyempre sa plantation. Then after the plantation, we process it the right way. Then we roast it, and it's for them to sell through their coffee shop. So that's why it's a process that involves agriculture, engineering as to processing, and marketing, and at the same time entrepreneurship ng mga barista natin, ng mga coffee shop owners natin. So in other words, it will be a complete package, hindi lang sa basta minom ka na lang o basta ano, but we have to go through the process of educating everybody involved in this sector. That includes our young artists and our coffee enthusiasts, no, na binigyan natin ng opportunity for this lungsod program ng DTI through, of course, our SILG Secretary Ben Harabalo. So sa lahat no, na pinaparating namin ang pagpasalamat sa program na ito para ma-utilize at saka ma-maximize and to discover talents and opportunities para sa amin dito sa lungsod ng siyudad ng Cadiz.
Mayor Escalante, alam po niyo yung maganda yung si Deo Macalma nga pala ito, Mayor Escalante. Mayor, yung coffee, ayan, marami na pong gumagawa niyan at maganda dahil na-promote ang inyong produkto sa inyong lugar. Pero medyo ang kakaiba, Mayor, maganda ito ha. Parang first time kumarinig na ang LGU ay nag-promote ng sining. Ayan, may mga painting kayo dyan, mga bata, tinuturo ang maggawa ng art. Ayan, ba't nyo napili ito, Mayor, at paano ito nakatulong sa inyong socio-economic growth dyan sa Cadiz City?
Well, actually, we're now dubbed as the painting city in Negros Occidental, no? The island, Negros Island region, for that matter. No? This happened in the pandemic. No, yung mga artist natin lumapit sa akin ngayon, ang hirap ng buhay, walang opportunity. So sabi ko, sige, mag-workshop tayo and mag-competition tayo. And this competition, arts competition, we do this twice a year, no? Every Fiesta, January, and the Charter Day of the city. And right now, the last Charter Day we had it as already on the 9th time na nag-competition kami. And the last time we did, province-wide na yung arts competition namin. So it attracted almost 400 artists all over the province. No? So parang na-revolutionize ulit yung art dito sa lungsod. And through the initiative of the City of Cadiz, yung sining, nabigyan natin ng opportunity yung mga artists natin na parang nag-hibernate lang, nag-aantay lang ng opportunity. So it is na nabigyan sila ng opportunity right now. And magandang paraan to encourage, no? And even yung workshop natin kahapon, we attracted more than 50 17 years old and below, no? Just imagine, may pasok dito kahapon, pero almost more than 50 yung nagsali. So, tinawag lang namin yung mga principal nila na, ma'am, i-excuse muna si sir at saka yung mga bata kasi nagsali dito sa workshop namin. So, it really is an opportunity for the artists, no, to develop those skills and grow from what they've learned out of this lungsod-lungsod program.
Ayun, impressive, no? Lakay Mayor, no? Kakaiba.
May mga budding artist dyan, gagaling.
Opo. Ngayon, Mayor, kanina nabanggit niyo po, no, na pinantayan o hinigitan po ninyo yung fund ng DTI, ano, magkano nga ba yun, Mayor? 1.3, 1.5. Maliban sa Maliban po dun sa funding support, paano pa po sinusuportahan ng inyong programa ang creative sector sa Cadiz?
Yes, correct. That's true. This fund na binigay ni DTI sa atin, to expand the program, parang kulang. So that's why nag-counterpart kami to sustain. So mangyari ngayon, 1 month celebration to, 1 month implementation to ng lungsod natin. No? And after this, you just imagine people, you've trained them already. So lalapit yan sa atin, what's next? Ayun. So on how to sustain them, on how to sustain what we have, the gains that we have achieved is another story. So that's why after this, we will sit down again with our stakeholders and come up with a plan na makarating kami ulit sa 2025 na naman na lungsod ng SAD. So sayang naman kasi nasimulan na natin. If we stop, then parang balik naman tayo sa number 1. So that's why the sustainability of this is very vital, no, para sa atin. Now, once you start painting, once you start brewing coffee, once you start selling coffee, it should be sustained, no? It should be maintained, and that will be the very essence of this program on how the LGU plus our local and private stakeholders can sustain this momentum.
Ayan, napakaganda, Mayor. Itong mga painting siguro pwedeng dalhin dito rin sa Metro Manila at magkaroon ng
Exhibit.
ayan, painting exhibit, Mayor, para mabenta naman at kumita yung mga kabataan nating gumawa ng mga magaling na mga magagandang paintings dyan.
Yes, Lakay, yes, I will call you on that. Marami tayong available paintings dito. Siguro we can easily come up with 500 paintings, no? Owned by the city and our local artists. And we can, in fact, we have considered also, no, bringing our arts sa Metro Manila, and probably with help of our DCRH and the LG Secretary, we can do this. We can do this. We are willing not to do this together with you.
Mayor Escalante, sir, sa ganitong programa ninyo dyan sa Cadiz City, sa mga nais sumunod din o kaya maaring gumaya, ayan, ano ang inyong may payo sa ating mga LGUs, Mayor Escalante, sir?
Well, actually, kami sa League of Cities, meron kaming parang group chat na pwede naman natin itap, no? Whatever resources, whatever best practices that each and every LGU has, pwede natin itap yan. Pwede kami magbigay ng tulong if necessary. No? And in fact, meron 2 LGUs na ngayon na tumawag sa akin, mga kaibigan din natin, na gusto nila mag-jumpstart, no? ng arts revolution din sa kanilang city. So that's why we are really willing to extend any assistance that we can.
Mayor Escalante, sir, maraming salamat po, magandang hapon at congratulations sa inyong napaka-successful na programa dyan sa Cadiz City.
Congratulations po, Mayor, and I'm sure matutuwa po si Secretary Benhar na malaman pong isa po kayong namumukadkad na lungsod.
Yes, thank you then also for the opportunity to air, no, the little gains and achievements that we have when it comes to the lungsod program ng ating DTI, of course, together with our SEILG Secretary Ben Horrible. Salamat din and magandang hapon sa lahat.
Magandang hapon, Mayor Salvador Escalante ng Cadiz City, Negros Occidental.